Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates. We get reports for my table like this way I need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say the suspended governor of Rivers State to be Siminalayi Fubara don raise alarm over fake reports of pipeline explosions for inside Rivers State. And he now dey urge security agencies to make dem investigate and make dem take action against those men wey dey spread false information. Now, even as he don chop the suspension wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu serve give am, Sasim Fubara still feel the need to do the needful for inside Rivers State. For inside one statement wey dey issued by his chief press secretary wey be Nelson Chukwudi, Siminalayi Fubara dey dismiss viral videos of alleged attacks on oil and gas facilities. Na im dey describe them as fake and malicious, and in the summer warning against attempts to incite chaos. Normally, men wey get good intentions no go dey fake videos of pipeline explosions. As Sasim Fubara comes to use the opportunity to dey talk about his commitment to maintaining peace for inside Rivers State. And no be lie, my good people, all these levels dey happen as one social political group wey dey go by the name Simplicity Movement bin still call on the sole administrator of Rivers State to be Vice Admiral Ibok Et Ibas, but he don retire, plus security agencies to make dem investigate the recent reports of pipeline explosions for inside Rivers State. And this group so wey be the Simplicity Movement dem specifically ask for a torchlighting into the alleged explosion for the Trans-Niger pipeline for inside Bodo, Gokana local government area, which was widely reported after a section of the facility was said to have gone up in flames. Amo no forget, say sake of the chaos, sake of the Casala wey the explosion come last cause for inside Rivers State, our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come use am as stronghold. Na make on the 18th day of March for inside this year 2025, he come proclaim emergency rule for inside Rivers State, and he come suspend the governor of Rivers State wey be Sasim Fubara, plus his deputy wey be Professor Ngozi Odu, and all the members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. And the suspension so go last for 6 months. And according to our president, the reason why he gas plaster state of emergency on Rivers State and the reason why he gas suspend the men na sake of say across Rivers State now explosions don dey on, men now don dey blow up pipelines, and e no make sense. And even as the Jagoda activity happen, the Rivers State governor no do anything about the matter. And to make the matter come even worse, as the explosion come board, we reported threats by Jagoda men, militants dem come plaster. Jagoda men now wey be militants come dey yarn, they come dey threaten, say they go resume hostilities, they go burn things, they go cause chaos, they go cause wahala if the Rivers State House of Assembly led by Martin Amewule, men wey dey support the Minister of FCT wey be Nyesom Wike, if they last succeed to impeach the governor of Rivers State, and that na Siminalayi Fubara. And normally our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu no wan hear whether na RNG abi no be RNG, sake of say he no want the breakdown of law and order for inside Rivers State. That's na why he do wetin he gas do, and that's na also why he gas appoint Oga Ibas as the sole administrator of the state. Sake of the attacks and the threats now, all fingers come dey point at Sasim Fubara, say na him cause am, say na him be the reason why our president come plaster state of emergency for inside Rivers State, and na him be the reason why men chop suspension. But however, my good people, the suspended governor wey be Sasim Fubara last deny any link with any militant group. He don come outside for public, come wash hand comot for any magomago activity or allegations. He say he no put mouth, he no tell anybody to go do anything. As a matter of fact, even the summer warning say make nobody cause violence and make nobody sabotage our economy with the excuse of say they dey support am. No, him na peace-loving person. He no get any time wey go resort to violence. He no get any time wey go put hand for Jagoda activity or even support Jagoda activity sake of say he wan prove point. After every the suspended governor come dey call on security agencies so make dem take note of the fake videos and make dem take necessary steps to arrest the perpetrators dem, the Jagoda men wey dey circulate fake videos of pipeline explosion. According to how men take yarn for inside their statement, they say once again their attention has been drawn to a flurry of malicious, fake and imaginary videos of explosions on oil and gas facilities for inside Rivers State. He say virtually all the fake videos have been linked to alleged militant groups in the state, with the creators of such content trying very hard to connect them to supporters of Governor Siminalayi Fubara. But already, the communities where these incidents are allegedly to have occurred have reacted, dismissing any claims of explosions on oil and gas facilities in their domains, and they are reassuring that all critical government assets within their areas are very much safe, secure, and efficiently functioning. For the avoidance of doubt, Governor Siminalayi Fubara no get any link to any militant group, and e no dey contemplate any such association, and e no get any reason whatsoever to encourage any criminal group or element anywhere for inside Rivers State or inside Niger Delta say make dem go take actions wey go last disturb the peace and safety of Rivers State people or the oil and gas facilities for inside the state, and by ex ten sion the economy of the country. So dis my good people na the statement wey Governor Siminalayi Fubara Chief Press Secretary Nelson Chukwudi drop about the pipeline explosion matter. And if e be say all these levels wey dem yarn for inside statement so na legit, that is to say the basics, the foundation of the emergency rule wey our presido plaster on top Rivers State na fallacy. And that na sake of say our presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu na use im mouth talk am for inside the nationwide broadcast say na sake of the pipeline explosion and how the matter serious reach na why im gatz plaster the emergency rule, and that na why im gatz suspend men for inside Rivers State. And na sake of this development, so sake of the report wey just dey fly up and down and wey dey carry grave consequences, the Rivers State Governor wey be Sir Sim Fubara don see the need now to sama warning, to sama important message give bloggers, social media men dem and tori people say make dem mind theirself, make dem know the kind informate wey dey report, make dem no carry their campaign now go dey create atmosphere of tension, chaos and anarchy for inside Rivers State. Their news gatz be legit, because last fake reports and posts in the last couple of days now don trigger enough wrong decisions for inside Rivers State, and if e continue, e no go help our dear Rivers State move forward o. And again, e con stay yarn give security agencies so make dem take note of the fake videos wey dey designed to misinform the general public, and make dem try stop jaguda men from painting Rivers State in bad light. And no be lie my good people, if e be say the sole administrator of Rivers State wey our presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu appoint, if e be say the man mind true dey to help Rivers State people, if e be say the man no choose side or any other level, im go don observe am say true the Rivers State House of Assembly complex men go soon build am complete, and that go show say wetin the Rivers State governor talk about the level na correct something. Now anyhow this informate be you for body, or if e be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so then feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Once again, na we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And if e be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more updates dey call your side, and you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey come back with more reports, me dey come back with more news for you my good people. Try make e no go anywhere.